I pray the presence and power of Jesus come into your life like never before. If you're listening to this, you're saying, I want to know this Jesus. I want to know this Jesus that they're talking about. Now you can receive him in your heart today.